Anyway, to our distinguished guests, farmers, friends, good morning again. I never thought that I would be given another chance to talk again. But anyway, since a friend of mine just came in, ang farm natin, basically, as of now, let me reiterate, how do we survive? Feed costs, billion na yan. Farm gate price, dictated by market. Ang isang pwede natin paglaruan is our efficiency. That's a big room to play around, no? You could make or break. When I say make, kung hindi ka natama ng disease, kung maganda ang programa mo sa bakuna, somehow, I think you have a good buffer zone on that. Ngayon, kung you be on the losing side, kung genetics mo, nutrition, vaccination, health program, hindi mo napantayan. Actually, I'm not here to talk about these farm practices. I'm here to introduce a friend of mine. When I say friend of mine, wala siyang formal invitation. Yeah. Wala siyang formal invitation through text. I said, you being the region director of this Region 3, and you as a swine raiser himself, sabi ko, you ought to grace our convention. He readily said yes. Because ang farm natin, no, is very affected by the peace and order. You good production, housing system, every now and then, kung guguluhin ka ng mga masamang loob, which I personally encountered 2-3 times. Without him, siguro wala na rin ako. But with not much further ado, let me introduce you my friend, Regional Director Nilo de la Cruz.
Tawagin natin ngayon si Mr. Joji Sanjego, Presidente ng United Broilers Association.
Mga kasama sa BA na tumutulong sa atin, mga allied industries, mga kasama sa pagbababuyan. Although hindi pa ako registered member, may konti din akong contribution sa Filipino Pork. Meron akong 50 sow level na farm. So, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Na-extra na naman ako. Last year sa Subic, nabanggit ko sa okasyon na ganito na we have just 1.5 years to go before the implementation of AFTA. Now, we have just about 6 months to go bago itong full implementation. Ito po yung nakakatakot. Our respect, babanggitin ko din po na ako din po namumuno sa mag-iitlogan sa Pilipinas. Nagseselos po yung Philippine effort pag hindi nababanggit yung organization. So our respective industry have done our part. Sa broiler po, nakaka-harvest na kami ngayon ng 32 days at around 1.7, 1.8 with a feed conversion of around 1.6. Sa pag-iitlogan po, nakakakuha na kami ng pig production of 97% and a persistency of about 6 months na 90% in our production. I heard that in the swine industry, the more efficient now can sell their hogs at around 150 days from birth at around 90 kilos with a feed conversion of around 1.3. So yun nga po sinabi ko, we have done our part. Ang inaantay na lang natin po ay malaking tulong na manggagaling sa gobyerno. Sana po maparating na ating mga kaibigan. So no matter how efficient we are as far as production parameters are concerned, ang pinakamalaking factor po ay yung presyo. Yung cost of production. Magkasama po kami ni Rene ang madalas regarding sa raw material for feeds because of the Agricultural Alliance where we are board members. Sinisika po namin in every meeting na kasama namin ng gobyerno, sinasabi namin na tulungan ang industriya kasi nga nagawa na namin yung aming parte. So ang problema po, imbis na gumaan yung pagninegosyo ay lalo pang umihirap dahil po yung karagdagang problema sa mga local government unit regulations. Napakahigpit po ng mga LGUs, naniningil ng kung ano-ano kasi nasabi nga namin double taxation. So, sa papalapit po ng 2010, dapat po talaga tayo magsama-sama at magtulungan sa lahat ng bagay na pareho naman yung epekto sa atin. Kaya siguro po nakikita ko na itong mga darating na araw, linggo at buwan, ay palagi rin kami magkakasama ng hangin industry through Mr. Rene Ilaria para po ipaglaban yung ating survival. The battle is on and we're still in the survival mode. Yun lang po at magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
Thank you, Sir Joji. Now, may we call on our past chairman, Mr. Gabby Concepcion. Gabby Ur. Ano ba ako kasi siya ni Gabby Concepcion?
Honorable Senator Chico Escudero, Director Dave Catdagan, other distinguished guests, officers and members of the National Federation, exhibitors, sponsors, and friends. Good afternoon. On behalf of the Unified Batangas Hog Farmers, we congratulate the Federation for a successful opening ceremonies and bid everyone to enjoy the two-day conference which exhibit inclusive of live animals and various seminars and plenary sessions. This year, I lead the biggest delegation today of Batangueños who all believe in the theme Love Pinoy Pork of this convention. Batangas, by BAS Tally, is now the biggest hog producers in the country. And I, as President of the Unified Batangas Hog Farmers, and as an active member of the Batangas Chamber of Commerce and Industries, will do my best to lead my group in supporting the goal of the Federation, which is to bring to the consumers the best quality and best tasting pork to which they have been accustomed to and to guarantee adequate supply. Hindi na po ako magpapakatagal at medyo tatanghaliin na tayo. But ito lang po ang masasabi ko. Bukod sa pasasalamat sa inyo, ay kami po ay nandito ngayon para sabihin sa inyo na yung team namin na Love Pinoy Pork ay amin pong talagang tinataguyod. At the same time, gusto ko rin po kayong ananyahan sa amin sa Batangas, sa June 24, ay meron kami fiesta, yung punlit parada ng lechon. At ito po ay involved po ako dito dahil bilang member po ng National Federation at saka ng Batangas Chamber na nagpo-promote naman ng tourism. Yung pinaka-importante po dito ay yung ma-realize ng mga consumers na ang baboy po ay safe kainin at ang talaga pong napakasarap. Kaya salamat po ng marami at mabuhay po tayong lahat at higit sa lahat, mabuhay ang baboy. Thank you.